Our weekends have been set for years now. फ्राइडे को नई फिल्म देखेंगे एंड सैटरडे संडे को हमारा फेवरेट शो द कपिल शर्मा शो. We all were eagerly waiting for Kapil to return to our TV sets with a new season of his show. और हम सबका इंतजार फाइनली खत्म हुआ दिस वीकेंड as he kick-started the new season of the show. First things first, Kapil was seen in a totally different look this time. Having returned from his international shows and now set to visit Toronto Film Festival with his film Zwegato. और इस न्यू लुक के अलावा lot of new faces and characters were also introduced to us on Saturday and Sunday. In the new season, the audience's favorites Kiku Sharda, Sumona Chakravarti, and Archana Puran Singh are back with a bang to tickle your funny bone. Joining them are Shrishti Rode, Gaurav Dubey, Ishtiyaq Khan, Siddharth Sagar, and Shrikant G. Musky. Sumona Chakravarti plays Kapoor's wife Bindu, who also has her on-screen parents, Dad Sundar Das Chhapriwala, Mother Roopmati, and brother Goli. Kapu has found new neighbors in Ghazal and Ustad Ghar Chhod Das. And also Kiku Sharda returns to the show with a new character, Gudiya Laundry Wali. Chandan Prabhakar too was a part of the episodes as Makan Malik Chandu Idliwala with his screen wife Pushpa. But the most striking of them all, for seasons altogether, Sapna was missing. Because Krishna Abhishek has left the show and with him are gone our hopes of mindlessly laughing. The first episode featured Akshay Kumar with his Katputli team, Rakul Preet Singh, Chandrachud Singh, Sargun Mehta, and producer Jackie Bhagnani. This episode was thanda to say the least. Be it Kiku Sharda's Gudiya Laundry Girl or Sumona Chakravarti as the forgotten wife and her family, the characters literally failed to connect. The jokes were all the same. In fact, even more distasteful, for they targeted Kiku's obese character for her weight and a South Indian character for her color. This South Indian character played by Musky was nothing short of a caricature of South Indian people. An embarrassment to say the least. Even with so many people getting on and out of the stage, the interactions failed to bring any laughs. The second episode with the team of Bubbly Bouncer had the same problems. In fact, more. We had expected that this time around with the addition of new characters, things might change a little. लेकिन नहीं, वही same old body shaming, casual racism, PJs and overused jokes. इन सब बातों ने हम सबकी expectations पर पानी तो फेरा ही, but they also made us miss Krishna even more. For once, they should start focusing on humor more than the physical attributes of the actors. We know Musky is dark, Kiku is fat, and Sumona is short. Can we now move on from this? Ab bas we can only hope that Kapil and the makers fix this disaster ASAP so that we can enjoy it once again. The easier option would however be giving the audience what Archana has. Because हमें समझ नहीं आया कि उन्हें हंसी किन बातों पर आ रही थी. But that seems a far-fetched thing. And improvement of the content the only possible option in sight. Did you watch the first 2 episodes of the Kapil Sharma show? How did you like them? Do let us know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to Shosha for your daily dose of entertainment.